Let's learn how to make a smooth product animation in CapCut. I'll walk you through every step in a simple way, so even beginners can create a professional-looking animation for their product. First, import your product image and place it on the timeline. Since we are building the background first, drag the product off the screen for a moment, then go to Basic, Open Canvas, and select your preferred color. Here I'm choosing yellow. After setting the background, bring the product image back and position it neatly. Now, select the product, go to Remove Background and choose Auto, so the background disappears cleanly. To make the product stand out, add a black stroke and adjust both size and opacity for a balanced look. Next, it's time to animate. Go to Basic, click on Transform, add a keyframe at the start, move slightly forward in the timeline, and position the product in the direction you want for the animation. Select the second keyframe and apply Ease In to make the motion smooth and natural. Now let's add text. Go to the text section and click on Default Text. Type any title or product description you want to display. Position the text, choose a clean font style, adjust its size, and make sure it matches the overall look. You can even animate the text for extra impact. Finally, play the entire clip, and you'll see how clean, smooth, and perfectly aligned the product animation looks. In the final step, you can enhance your design by adding a few simple stickers or elements such as a Buy Now tag, clean lines, small sparkles, or even your brand logo. You can also choose elements based on the product style so it matches the overall look. Place these elements around the product to support the visual presentation. But keep them minimal so the layout stays clean and doesn't look crowded. And that completes our product animation. With just a few easy steps, we turned a basic product image into a smooth and polished animated clip. You can customize the colors, text, and elements however you like to match your product style. Keep experimenting with small adjustments, and every time your animation will look more refined and professional.